Hey, my name is Brian. Today we're going to be building this 2x8 planter box. It's a fun build. Let's get started. This wood is heavy, so it's a good idea to get some gloves with some impact resistance to protect your knuckles. So for this planter box, we have a 2x6 cap, a 2x12 for the sides. The corner posts are 4x4, and we'll be using some reclaimed metal roofing from an old warehouse for the sides. So we're going to be assembling the top. I like to hand plane my cuts so that way there's no sharp edges. And I clamp the joint when I put my screw in, so that way the screw that's going in on an angle doesn't alter the plane of the board. In our next step, we're going to be creating this side to attach to our seat. I like to install the side flush with the bottom of the post, so that way you have this type of a reveal. Because we're going to be installing this reclaimed metal here, after you get all four sides attached to your posts, we line up the sides to the top. The easiest way to do that is by lining up your corner here to the edge of your miter. If you do that on all four sides, it will be perfectly lined up. So in this next step, we're going to be installing this reclaimed metal roofing. I really don't use any special screws since this is already a rusty patina. And then we also overlap the joints with the metal roofing. So now that we got our planter box located where we want it, once you have the bottom line with the cardboard, you can go ahead and fill it with the soil, and then you can plant the plants that you want to plant and water it and call it a day.